You are going to love the 2023 Tahoe. This vehicle is powered by a 8-cylinder, 5.3-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote start, 4-wheel drive, daytime running lamps, Inside you'll find steering wheel controls, keyless start, cruise control, power outlet, console, floor mats. Tahoe has been the best-selling sports utility vehicle, accounting annually for more than 25% of all full-size SUV registrations in the United States. Elevate your status and command attention with this